Hello everyone, I am Adity and today I am going to review India's first egg oil for you guys. That is the Eyova hair nutrient with egg oil. It claims to supplement your hair with the nutrition it needs for that healthy hair. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. The price of this is rupees 590 and you get 50 ml of product. I know it sounds a bit costly, but it's totally worth it guys, because I will tell you the reasons later in this video. But yeah, first I will read all its ingredients and benefits and everything. So the ingredients in the Eyova egg oil is Eyova, that is the egg oil, and it has canola oil and fragrance. The benefits of this is that it promotes hair growth, prevents premature hair loss, prevents premature hair graying, repairs hair damage, reduces dandruff and improves scalp condition, improves hair shine and luster. These were its benefits, and then it further goes on to claim that eggs are nature's nutritional storehouse. Reap the benefits of this hidden treasure to get healthy hair. Bioactive components of egg yolk work on hair follicles to repair and strengthen hair. Eyova contains various biological actives which helps in keeping hair disorder at bay. First one of them is essential fatty acids, that is EFA. EFAs improve blood circulation and cell growth, stimulating hair growth. They also fight poor scalp condition like dry and flaky scalp, preventing dandruff and hair loss. Then it has immunoglobulins. They fight inflammation, preventing cell disorder and regenerate hair follicles. Then it has cholesterol that has deep conditioning effect on hair and enhances the penetration of other bioactives, thus improving their efficiency, facilitates the repair of damaged cell membranes. It adds luster and shine to the hair strands. Then lastly, egg oil has lutein and zeaxanthin. These xanthophiles, that is antioxidants, in egg oil help reduce the reactive oxygen species ROS and fights the free radical chain reaction which damage hair. They increase hydration elasticity of the scalp and prevents premature aging or graying of the hair. And by the way, it has original egg oil. So if you are someone who does not like putting egg on hair, then you might want to avoid this, but its benefits are so good you guys. So first of all, answering the one question which is going on the minds of all of you guys, like how does it smell? Like, does it stink of eggs? So no, it does not stink of eggs at all. It has added fragrance and it has a very strong smell of some flower, like I think chameli, that is what it smells like. I don't know if it's chameli or what, but it has a very strong and overpowering smell which may cause problem to sensitive nose, but it does not smell even a bit like egg oil or eggs, so you need not worry about that. It smells like some flower but has a strong smell. So yeah, now coming back to my experience about this product. So I have been using it for more than like 2.5 months now, and I know this bottle is very tiny to use for 2.5 months now, but I managed to work with it because I just used a very little quantity of this, and that too only on my scalp, and just with like a few drops of product I would apply it on my lens, and that is how I managed to save this tiny bottle for 2.5 months now. And also because this is costly, so you know you cannot purchase it on a monthly basis because 600 rupees per month. But I did not had any major problem with my hair, so a little went a long way for me. But if you have a major problem with your hair, like premature graying or a huge major hair fall, or your hair needs some intensive repair, then you can use a good quantity of this. For men or women who have short hair, I think this bottle will last you for like 3 months. But if you have long hair and you apply it all over your hair, then it will last for like just 1 month or maybe 1.5 months, depends on how much time you use it per week. And by the way, that reminds me that you do not have to use this hair oil more than twice a week. So do not think कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा beneficial है तो आप इसे हफ्ते में 3-4 बार लगा सकते हैं. No, you have to apply it only 2 times a week. Now talking about how you have to apply it, then it's very easy, just like you apply any other normal hair oil. You have to apply it in the same way. You just have to take a good quantity of the oil and massage it on your scalp and make sure that it spreads evenly and you have blood circulation flowing throughout your hair. Then you have to keep it preferably for overnight, but if you don't have time, then keep it minimum for 3 hours. Then finally you have to wash it off with a mild shampoo. And trust me, you will see a very noticeable difference on your hair in like about 2 months. Of course, you have to keep patience with it because it is a natural product and it will take a little bit of time to work on your hair, but it does really show some result. Now when I started using this, I was facing a lot of hair fall. Like even if I ran my hands across my hair like this, a lot of hair strands would get collected in my hands, and that was crazy, you guys. So I started using it and I saw that my hair fall reduced within like 2 weeks of the application, and in the very first go itself it provided a nice shine and smoothness to my hair, and it also helps new hair to come from the root. So yeah, now talking about the premature graying aspect, I really do not know about that because I do not have any gray hair, so I cannot give you my verdict about that. Next, if you have any scalp infections or maybe dandruff, then you may use this. It will definitely improve your scalp condition and repair your hair damage. And what I also noticed about this was that it reduced my split ends to a great extent. Like I face split ends problems a lot, and it helped me to control that to some extent. And it also made my hairs very strong, not only from the roots, but it also ensured that I do not get any breakage. So I think that were all the points which I wanted to cover. And now coming to my final verdict, that if I would recommend this, then yeah, I will recommend this. I know it is a bit pricey, but it is totally worth it. Especially if you're facing some serious hair issues, then you must really try this one out. So yeah, now that would be it for my today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.